What's up guys, today we have the Air Max 1 Patta collab in the Waves Monarch colorway. Let's check it out. So jumping right into the box, we have an all black box with the Patta and Nike logo all over, as well as Patta's slogan, which is "Got Love for All," and Lobi Libby, which translates to "Love Life." Honestly, this isn't my favorite box design, but it is unique and stands out and definitely reflects the Patta brand. Starting off with the design of the sneakers, I think Patta really killed it with this collab by taking a classic silhouette and kind of remixing it in a way that I think will be iconic. The wave design was so creative yet simple that it really stands out as a sneaker and potentially the sneaker of the year for me. The colors they chose were also great, keeping it simple with tonal orange, grays, and creams. For the materials, they went with more premium materials than your typical Air Max 1. So the midsole and mesh definitely felt more full, as well as the tongue being made of a super soft leather-like material. Overall, the quality control in these were great, and the design is definitely something that will be iconic. Throwing these on feet, I went true to size, which is size 7.5 men's for me. I mean, comfort wise, nothing too crazy here. Felt like my typical Air Max 1. So good for everyday use, but probably would start hurting your feet after long periods of time. Let me know in the comments below whether you're rocking with the cream laces or the white laces. Since it's the fall season, I decided to dress a little more warm with this fit, so I went with some black cargos as well as a jacket and long sleeve, and then underneath all of that, a oversized tee. I think the colors and the aesthetic kind of work well with each other, being a little more casual as well as matching the tonal colors with the tonal colors of the sneaker, and then giving that orange pop on the sneakers as well. What's up guys, thanks for checking out my latest flash review of the Air Max 1 Patta in the Wave Monarch colorway. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button below, as well as subscribe if you want to see more content from me. I'll make sure to put all the music and the fits and all that and the links in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And I'll also post my social media, Twitter and Instagram, so be sure to follow those as well. And let me know in the comments below if you like the fits, if you like the sneakers, did you cop or not? And I guess I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace.